Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing nothing. No stars. No constellations. No distant glow. Just an endless, absolute darkness stretching in every direction. Not a slow fading over millions of years. Not a gradual death of galaxies. One moment the universe is alive with light, and the next, it is gone. At first, nothing seems to happen. Earth still spins. The sun still warms the planet. Life continues, unaware that the universe has just crossed a point of no return. But this silence in the sky is not peaceful. It is the beginning of the most catastrophic transformation reality has ever experienced. Tonight, welcome to Information World. We are exploring one of the most terrifying and fascinating questions imaginable. What if every star in the universe suddenly disappeared at the exact same moment? Not exploded. Not dimmed. Simply erased from existence. This is not science fiction meant to entertain. This is a deep journey into physics, time, life, and the fragile structure that holds the universe together. Stars are not decorations in the sky. They are the engines of reality. They shape galaxies, bend space, create elements, and give meaning to time itself. Without them, the universe doesn't just become dark. It becomes unstable. In the first few minutes after the stars vanish, Earth notices nothing unusual. Gravity does not disappear instantly. Light from distant galaxies continues to arrive, because that light was emitted millions or even billions of years ago. For a short while, the sky still glows with ghosts of stars that no longer exist. But the truth is already written. Every second that passes brings us closer to the moment when that last ancient photon reaches Earth. When it does, the universe will finally reveal what it has become. Galaxies begin to unravel. Stars once held together by mutual gravity no longer orbit invisible centers. Entire galactic structures lose their balance. Over time, planets drift freely through space, untethered and directionless. The universe begins to resemble a cosmic graveyard filled with cold, wandering worlds. On Earth, life continues as long as the sun survives. But even our sun is a star. If all stars vanished, the sun would be gone too. That means no light. No heat. No photosynthesis. Within minutes, the planet plunges into darkness. Temperatures drop rapidly. Winds howl as the atmosphere begins to collapse into chaos. Within weeks, oceans freeze from the surface downward. Plants die first, followed by herbivores, then predators. Humanity survives briefly using stored energy and artificial light, but without the sun, Earth becomes an icy tomb drifting through space. Yet this is only the surface-level disaster. The deeper horror lies in physics itself. Stars are factories of elements. Every atom heavier than hydrogen and helium was forged inside stars. Iron in your blood. Calcium in your bones. Gold in your jewelry. Without stars, the universe loses its ability to create complexity. No new elements. No new chemistry. No new life. Time itself begins to lose meaning. Without stars, there are no supernovae to mark cosmic eras. No stellar life cycles to measure change. The universe becomes static, frozen in a state of eternal decay. Black holes remain, but they too begin to starve. Without stars to consume, they slowly evaporate through Hawking radiation. Over incomprehensible spans of time, even black holes fade away, leaving behind an almost perfectly empty universe. Dark matter still exists, silently shaping space, but with no luminous matter to interact with, its influence becomes irrelevant. Space expands faster and faster, pushing remaining particles farther apart until interaction becomes nearly impossible. Eventually, the universe enters what scientists call heat death. Not an explosion. Not a collapse. Just endless darkness, near absolute zero, and a slow fading of all structure. A universe that exists, but does nothing. And here is the most unsettling thought of all. If stars never existed, consciousness might never have existed either. Life requires complexity. Complexity requires energy. Energy requires stars. The thoughts you are thinking right now are possible only because ancient stars lived and died long before Earth was born. Without stars, the universe is not just dark. It is meaningless. This scenario forces us to confront something uncomfortable. We often imagine humanity as central, important, permanent. But in reality, our existence depends entirely on fragile cosmic conditions. Remove one piece, and everything collapses. The stars above us are not distant. They are intimate. They are the reason time flows, chemistry works, and consciousness can emerge. Their disappearance would not just end life. It would erase the possibility of life ever returning. And yet, there is beauty in this realization. Because it means that right now, in this moment, the universe is alive. The stars are burning. Galaxies are spinning. Time still has direction. Meaning still exists. The night sky is not empty. It is full of history, violence, creation, and possibility. Every star you see is a reminder that existence is rare, fragile, and temporary. If the universe ever lost all its stars, it would not scream. It would simply go silent. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember this. The light reaching your eyes has traveled unimaginable distances just to be seen by you. And one day, that light will be gone forever. Thank you for watching Information World. If this journey into the dark side of the universe made you think, feel, or question reality itself, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more deep explorations into the mysteries of existence.